and good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is FXPassion broadcasting you live on YouTube, and everybody, no camera today, okay? I'm not in the office, no camera, I'm not in the office. And this is Forex Trading Course 101. Remember, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way the three pillars. Pillar number one is M, stands for the market. Pillar number two is the letter S, stands for strategy. And the big one, T, stands for trader. Talking about the trader more in the Forex course 202. But talking about the market and the strategy, we are learning this with those modules: basic module, beginner, intermediate and advanced. And talking about today, trading Fibonacci numbers, the three Fibonaccis and the multiple time frames. Everybody, this is going to be one of the difficult ones, okay? Watch this lesson 5 times. Oh my gosh, not just one or two. No, watch this lesson 5 times. This is going to be one of the difficult ones, everybody. Okay? And everybody, if you are not receiving webinar announcements, okay, or notifications from the JForex platform, please send an email to research@dukascopy.com and write that you are not receiving any webinar notifications from the JForex platform. Okay, now what do champion traders always say? Champion traders always say, I am not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis, and my 50 cents on the left when the market scares you. Don't be afraid to do the right thing. The webinars are not trading or investment advice, everybody, and remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. And for homeworks or questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and you can follow me on TradingView. Okay? Now, that being said, everybody, let's jump. And remember, this is going to be one of the difficult lessons, okay? This is going to be, well, not in here too much. Too much things on the monthly, maybe it's here, daily. One more, okay, there you go. So we are going to draw something like this, and this one black and transparency, okay. And as usual, we have the 4 time frames, right? And up left corner is going to be the monthly, down left corner is going to be the weekly chart, right up corner is going to be the daily chart, and down right corner is going to be the trading chart. Trading charts, trading charts, trading time frame, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. Okay, everybody, and today's lesson is a difficult one. Hello Lucas, how are you? You should watch this webinar, everybody, this lesson 5 times. Okay, 5 times. Now we are going to have, everybody, to be easy, right? We are going to have an up Fibonacci, original one like this, and then we are going to have a contrarian Fibonacci, something like this. So this is the original one, right? So this is the monthly, and then we have the contrarian, something like this, and this is going to be edit levels, contrarian. Okay, so this is going to be something like this. Okay, now on the weekly we are going to have a similar situation. Okay, we're going to have a similar situation, and of course it's going to be something like this, right? And it's going to be something like this. And again, original Fibonacci is going to be up, edit label, whoops, not edit label, but edit coordinate, not this one. Fibonacci edit levels, right? Edit levels, Fibonacci original one, it's up, moving, whoops, moving down some. Okay, I need to readjust so we can see it, right? And the contrarian Fibonacci is going to be something like this. A little bit lower, and edit levels, changing color, Fibonacci contrarian, there you go. And the market, of course, from the month weekly is going to do still something like this, right? Okay, so we have the monthly, we have the weekly, and now we have the daily, right? We have the daily, and the daily is going to look something like this. And we have a down original Fibonacci, and let's put it here, right? A down original Fibonacci, something like this. Edit levels, Fibonacci original one, and we are going to have the contrarian Fibonacci retracement, contrarian, you know, something like this, maybe something in here, right? Something like this. Edit levels and Fibonacci contrarian, and this is going to be something like this. And on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, everybody, we are going to have something like this. Make sense? And of course this is going to be the original one. Edit levels, original one, Fibonacci original one. Lower a little bit, Fibonacci original one, and just give me a second, everybody. Give me a second. Okay. Up and down, up and down. Well, let's do it just like this, right? There are no two lower lows, two lower highs. Anyway, you know, Fibonacci retracement, this is going to be the contrarian. Edit levels, contrarian, there you go. Okay? Students and traders, do you want the Lambo? Do you want the Ferrari, Novitec, Lambo, yacht, whatever might be the case? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay, how are we going to make pips and money on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? Trading Fibonacci's on multiple time frames, everybody, long or short. Do you want the Lambo, everybody? So Fibonacci, talking about the probabilities, yes, today is this from 2 weeks ago, it's the Lambo, right? Before it was a Ferrari, you know. So talking about probabilities, everybody, long or short on the trading time frame, where is the highest probability? Okay, everybody, this is the question. Edit label. Okay, this is the question. Display distance. Oh no, display label. Okay, long or short on the trading time frame, and where is the highest probability, everybody? What do you think? Long or short? And somebody's typing on the other streaming platform, oh Passion, this is difficult. Everybody, watch this lesson 5 times, okay? Undock, something like this. No camera today, sorry everybody, I'm not in my office, no camera today. Okay, I'm not in my office. And see this one? This was me back in time. See this picture, everybody? This is crazy. What should we do? On the monthly time frame you have original Fibonacci down, contrarian Fibonacci is up. On the weekly time frame the original is down, contrarian is up. On the daily Fibonacci, on the daily time frame the original is up, meaning on the monthly the original is down, on the weekly is down, but on the daily the original Fibonacci is up. And on the 2-hour time frame, which is the trading time frame, the Fibonacci original one is down. So it's all messed up, it's all mixed up. This is crazy, what should we do? You know? I'm going to ask my wife, and the wife said, well, I don't know, honey. You want to trade? Well, I should change it, not about the Forex, but you want to trade the Fibonaccis? Right? And this is even difficult one, you know. This one it's easier. Why is that? Because, you know, you have some of the contrarian Fibonaccis are confirmed and some are not. Everybody. So remember, long or short. Teacher Lucas, you want to go into the Forex course 202? Right? Somebody from the Forex course 202 is going to test your knowledge, Lucas. Now today you have a test. And everybody else. And don't be shy, everybody. Don't be shy, don't be scared. We are here to learn. But it's true, everybody. Lucas wants to enter the Forex course 202. Right, Lucas? And I told Lucas on Skype, well, we need to check if you learned from the Forex course 101. Otherwise, you are going to waste your time and my time. And you are going to waste your money, everybody. Forex course 202, it's not for free. We are looking for traders, yes sir. Sir, in this case I need to analyze the probability in all time frames or just in the confirmation time frame and the trading time frame. All time frames. All time frames, everybody. And I'm telling you, this is one. Do you want the Lambo? You know, do you want to have the Lambo and the Porsche and the Maserati? Not with being lucky with Shiba Inu, everybody, and Dogecoin, but with professional trading, professional Forex trader. You know, oh, this is difficult. Watch this webinar, watch this lesson 5 times. Study the charts. Study the different currency pairs that have Fibonaccis in the opposite direction, like in here. And somebody, a few years ago, I will never forget, somebody wrote me an email, everybody. Passion, I don't like theory. Can you do the lessons just on charts? See, everybody, this kind of trader is not going anywhere. Make sense? You need to understand theory, and this is it, before you can understand what is happening on the charts, everybody. Make sense? And by the way, Lucas, congratulations to your entry, right? Everybody, why is AUD cat pushing down? It's because of what we are learning today. Not to mix apples and bananas. Sure, we have different patterns, but the Fibonaccis are dictating. Everybody, how are we going to make money on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? The trading time frame Type in the chat what do you don't be shy, everybody. There is no right or wrong, right? We're here to learn. You can say, okay, I would like to go long on the 2-hour chart. You can say, no, I would like to short the 1-hour chart, whatever. Yes, good morning to you too, everybody. So, the original Fibonacci, number one, we use the original Fibonacci to determine trend direction. Okay? Then we compare trend direction from the larger time frame to the lower time frame. And the last thing we need to identify in what zone are the Fibonaccis on the larger time frame and the smaller time frame. Okay? So this is not that difficult, right? What is the trend direction on the monthly chart, everybody? Up or down? What is the trend direction on the monthly chart? Up or down? And remember, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. What is, yes, this is the question. What is the trend direction on the monthly chart? And we are going to mix theory with the charts, right? I mean with the live market right now. Everybody? Yeah, no problem. I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. So if the original Fibonacci determines trend direction, what is the trend direction on the monthly chart? Up. Yes, sir. What is the trend direction on the weekly chart? Okay, everybody. What is the trend direction on the weekly chart? Up. Very good. Yes, sir. The original Fibonacci confirms or determines trend direction. What is the trend direction from the daily chart? Everybody? The red arrow is the trend direction. What is the trend direction on the daily chart? Everybody? Down. Yes, sir. Exactly. Down. Is anybody in here who does not understand what trend direction on the daily is down? We are here to learn, everybody. Don't be shy. Monthly, it's up. Weekly, it's up. Daily Fibonacci trend direction is down. Is anybody in here who does not understand this? Why the daily is down? And finally, if the original Fibonacci determines trend direction, what is the trend direction on the trading time frame? This is the time frame where we are going to enter into a trade. Daily down, yes sir. And the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 time frame, it's, yes, correct, up again. Okay, everybody? So, one more time. The original Fibonacci, we use the original Fibonacci to determine trend direction. Okay? Monthly original is up, trend direction is up. Weekly Fibonacci is up, trend direction is up. Daily Fibonacci is down, trend direction is down. And the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, the original Fibonacci is up, trend direction is up. Okay? Is this understandable, everybody? Is this clear what we are doing? Yes, okay. Now this is the good news. Tell me, everybody, what is trend direction on AUD CAD monthly chart? you are going to see, everybody, it's not that difficult. Okay, after you practice, everybody type in the chat what is the trend direction on AUD CAD monthly chart. Type in the chat AUD CAD monthly down or AUD CAD monthly up. Everybody type in the chat AUD CAD monthly down or type in the chat AUD CAD monthly up. See? We are implementing theory into the live market right now. But you need to understand and have an understanding of theory too. Everybody? So in other questions, you know, you are not a beginner trader anymore. If the original Fibonacci determines trend direction, what is AUD CAD going to do? High probability long term. Patil says down, yes sir. Lucas says down, very good. What is AUD CAD trend direction on the weekly chart, everybody? Up or down? What is the trend direction on the AUD CAD weekly chart? And this is the capital A. And this is capital B. And this is capital C, A, B, C, and projected the extension, right? It's somewhere down in here, text, projected D. Everybody, what is the trend direction according to the Fibonacci's on the weekly chart? Patil, AUD CAD monthly down. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. What about the weekly? See, everybody, it's not that difficult, isn't it? Not that difficult. Anyway, watch this lesson 5 times, everybody, because of the concept. What is the weekly direction? Yeah, don't worry everybody, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. This means that once you put in the chat, it's going to take 20 seconds to come to me, okay? Weekly trend direction, down, very good, excellent. What about the daily? So this is theory. What about the daily chart? What about the daily chart? And you got lucky, everybody, because on the daily chart the Fibonacci is also down. You got lucky. Look at the A. A is here, B is here. So, you know, this is theory, but you have currency pairs, everybody, positioned like this. Okay? What would be the example? NZD-JPY, AUD-USD, NZD-USD, NZD-CAD. You have, everybody, some of those pairs, they have different original Fibonacci's compared the monthly, weekly, and the daily. The daily is in the opposite direction compared to the monthly and the weekly. Now on AUD-CAD we got lucky, everybody, because the original Fibonacci is positioned even on the daily chart. It's aligned. Weekly down, Patil, yes sir. Down true, yes sir. Daily down true, right? Okay, down true. And lastly, on the 4-hour chart, I'm not sure if I have the Fibonacci on the 4-hour chart. Not sure. 4-hour chart, 4-hour chart. Yeah, I don't have it. But most likely it was up and then most likely. So everything is aligned, right? Everything is aligned. Everything is aligned. So it's not a good example to learn, right? Oh yes it is. No it's not. Educate, it's easy tradable right now because everything is aligned, but it's not a good example for you to learn. Yeah, you prefer the easy stuff, right? Everything is aligned. Okay. So here is the question, everybody. Now this is theory. This is theory, right? Now when you are looking at AUD-CAD, everybody, should you go long or short on all time frames? Everybody, see, not that difficult, right? Talking about direction on AUD-CAD. Should you trade short or long? Oh, I got it! Congratulations! Congratulations! Talking about direction on AUD-CAD. Should you trade short or long? Talking about direction, talking about the Fibonaccis, everybody, on all time frames. We learned that on the monthly is down, on the weekly is down, on the daily is down too. And on the 4-hour chart, the original Fibonacci is down too. I mean, this is a no-brainer, right? Should you go... No, wait a second. We have one more thing, everybody. It's called timing. Wait a second. You know, I would love that it would be that easy, right? You would have the Lambo by now. But it's not that. I mean, it's easy, okay, but it's a little bit complex, right? So this is the 4-hour chart. We have the down Fibonacci, and sure enough, this is the C, and sure enough, one more time, you know, Fibonacci retracement tool. This would, whoops, not this one. Sir, trading is simple but not easy. Yes, sir, thank you very much. Correct. Trading is simple but not easy. And this is the Fibonacci, the 4-hour chart. Look as a short. Long on the 1-hour, 4-hour till daily Fibonacci only. Afterward it has to be downwards. Okay, Patil, I have a down Fibonacci original one. Why would you go up? Why would you go long? Great post, Patil, thank you very much. Why would you go long on the 4-hour chart if you have a down Fibonacci? Oh, because I can. Well, fair enough, everybody. But going long, and you can, and going short, and you cannot come to the Forex course 202 course, the professional course, and meet professional traders if you think that it's all the same. Because it's not. Going long and you can, and going short and you can, those two trades are going to have, and they do have, a different probability of success. Make sense, everybody? So Patil can go long on the 4-hour chart, but the question is, why would you go long? Make sense, everybody? Patel, why would you go long on the 4-hour chart when, everybody, those are the concepts, the 3 Fibonaccis and the multiple time frames. We use the original Fibonacci to determine trend direction, period, end of story. AUD-CAD monthly, trend direction down, according to the Fibonacci. AUD-CAD weekly, trend direction down, according to the Fibonacci. AUD-CAD daily chart, trend direction down, according to the Fibonacci. AUD-CAD 4-hour chart, trend direction down, according to the Fibonacci. Why would you go long? No, I'm not saying that Patil is wrong, everybody. I'm just asking questions. Make sense? Or maybe I don't understand what you're saying, Patil, long on the 4 till daily Fibo only. Make sense, everybody? Now, this is one, right? But unfortunately, we have the contrarian Fibonacci, right? We have the contrarian Fibonacci. And we use the contrarian Fibonacci to, number one, trade retracements, which is risky, and to find the original C. What is the difference? Trading rules. Until the D extension of the contrarian Fibonacci is still inside the AB boundary of the original Fibonacci, we are entering trades with a probability of 50-50. If you can find the contrarian Fibonacci with the projected D extension above or below the capital A of the original Fibonacci, you are entering 80-85% probability trades. Back to the chart. Do we have a confirmed C from the monthly? Yes or no? Do we have a confirmed C from the monthly? So this is the original, trend direction is down. This is the contrarian, this is the projected D extension. Do we have the confirmed C from the monthly? If the answer is no, then we are shorting the market with a 50% probability. If the answer is yes, then we have a whole 85% probability that this market long term is going to push down. Of course, it's going to wave, right? Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. But in the long run, it's going to fall. We have an 80%. Yes, confirmed, Patil, yes, sir. Okay. Do we have a confirmed C from the weekly? Do we have a confirmed C from the weekly? This is the projected D extension, this is the contrarian, this is the C. Do we have a confirmed C from the weekly? Yes or no? And again, if the answer is yes, then our C's are aligned. We have an 80% chance that the market is going to fall long term. One more time, in between the market is going to wave. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. Long on retracement, short on extensions. Long on retracements, short on extension on every single time frame. Nothing changes, everybody. Some of you are still confused, you know, oh, but I'm a scalper, or I'm a day trader, or I'm a swing trader. From the monthly and the weekly, nothing changes. long on retracement, day traders, scalper, swing traders, short on extensions, day traders, scalper, swing traders, high probability trades. Patil says yes, confirmed from the weekly. Lucas not confirmed, everybody. So no, our C is not confirmed because the projected the extension on the contrarian is still inside the AB boundary. Capital A, this is the level. Capital B, this is the level. This is the contrarian and the projected the extension is still inside. So no, we don't have the confirmed C. What does this mean? That the market has a 50% chance of waving down long term. The monthly has a confirmed C, the weekly doesn't. The higher time frame controls the smaller time frame. Should we go long or short on the 4-hour chart? Oh my gosh, this is too complex. Watch this lesson 5 times. I'm telling you, you are going to be sick and tired of me telling you watch this lesson 5 times. This is an upgrade, everybody, because once we are over, we are going to jump into advanced module and we're going to talk about how to build a strategy, how to build a system. And if you didn't learn from the previous lessons, your strategy and your system is not going to make any consistent pips, everybody. You need to learn. Make sense? Passion, can I trade without the Fibonaccis? Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. But the monthly, yes, so it's more relevant than the weekly. Very good. What about the daily? AUDCAT daily chart, everybody. And I need to draw the contrarian, right? Because we don't have it. So very quickly, contrarian Fibonacci. We want to find if we have a confirmed C, yes or no. Contrarian Fibonacci, ABC, ABCD, 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 ABCD. Didn't hit, right? Didn't hit, okay. ABCD. Okay, do we have a confirmed Fibonacci from the daily chart, everybody? This is the C. Do we have a confirmed C from the daily? Yes or no? Yes, this is the A up in here. This is the A. This is the A. This is the A level and this is the projected, the extension here. This is the sub. This is the sub D from the contrarian. Is this C confirmed? No, exactly. No, it's not. No, it's not. So when you have something like this, everybody, you know, come on. When you have something like this, right? Here is the question. How are you going to make pips and money on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? So this is the example, right? And then you have AUDCAT with a different example. You know, so this is the monthly chart and the original Fibonacci has an up direction, weekly chart, up direction, uptrend. daily downtrend, and the 2-hour, 4-hour, the trading time frame has an uptrend, up Fibonacci. And this is the trading time frame. How are you going to enter in here, long or short? Talking about AUD-CAT, the original Fibonacci on the monthly is down, the weekly Fibonacci is down, the original daily Fibonacci is down, the monthly has a confirmed C, the weekly does not, and the daily has not. How are you going to make pips and money consistently? Well, you are going to make consistently money with the Fibonacci, understanding and trading with probabilities. You enter a high probability trade over and over and over and over again, you are going to win 8 times out of 10. You are going to enter a high probability trade over and over and over again, you are going to win 7 times out of 10. This is how institutional traders, this is the understanding that institutional traders and professional retail traders have. Everybody, you must acquire this knowledge before, if you want to come to the Forex course 202. And one more time, the Forex course 202 is not for free. Yes, you are going to have a 50% discount, everybody, on Black Friday, okay? But the discount, you know, it's worthless if you didn't acquire the knowledge from the Forex course 101. Sir, the contrarian Fibonacci of the weekly is the original Fibonacci on the daily, so it's unlikely that daily will hit original Fibonacci. Lucas, how are you going to make pips and money on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? Most of you online, everybody, you know how to explain what is happening, right? But this is the analyst part. Okay? Analyzing the chart, this is the analyst part. Now we want to make money. So let's translate, let's move, let's jump from being an analyst to being a trader. How are you going to make pips and money in here? Meaning, how are you going to make pips and money on AUD-CAT 4-hour chart? You can go long, yes sir. You can go short, yes sir. But those two trades are going to have a different probability of success. And if you trade with higher probability over and over and over again, you are going to make pips and money consistently. If you are not aware and you are not trading the high probability trades, you are not going to make consistent pips and money. Make sense, everybody? You need to be aware. Yes, you need to learn what is high probability and what is not. Make sense? So Patel wants to go long. Well, let's see if the contrarian allows us to go long. Okay, so this is the... Yes, correct. Fibonacci is a pattern. Yes, correct. Fibonacci is a pattern with specific rules. Yes, sir. Okay. Long or short? Passion, I don't know. Fair answer. This is not the easy one. Then we have the Fibonacci of the confirmation, everybody. We use the Fibonacci of the confirmation to re-enter trends when we have missed the entry at the C and to confirm the extension from the original Fibonacci, meaning we need to be positioned, right, in the correct way. Now, right? Now this is theory talking about the live charts. This is the monthly, okay? This is the monthly chart. The original Fibonacci is showing us trend direction down. Here is the question: is the short-term trend on the monthly in an uptrend, or is a short-term trend on the monthly in a downtrend? Oh, right. Passion, why is this relevant? Because if you have a down Fibonacci, original one, and the original Fibonacci determines trend direction, when you have an uptrend in a down Fibonacci, this symbolizes a retracement. And when you have a downtrend, this symbolizes the extension. And you can draw a Fibonacci of the conformation on the extension. One more time, watch this webinar 5 times, everybody. Watch this lesson 5 times. And try to implement what you are learning right now into the charts. Do the exercises, everybody. Plot the Fibonaccis of your currency pairs of interest and try to identify, okay, if this is the original Fibonacci on AUD CAD and this original Fibonacci is down, how is the short-term trend? If the short-term trend is up, well, I'm in a retracement. If the short-term trend is down, well, I'm on an extension. Not that difficult, isn't it, everybody? It's not that difficult. Oh, but it's not easy. Well, it's, you know, it's practice, 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 practice. A down short-term trend and the monthly is in extension mode. Well, we learned from the Forex course 101 lesson number 3 how to confirm a downtrend. Do we have 100% confirmed downtrend? Everybody, do we have 100% confirmed downtrend? If this is the relevant high and this is the relevant low, and this low it's not even formed yet, or do we have it? Maybe this one is lower. Yes, let me check. Which one is lower? No, we don't have a confirmed low, not even low. We need to wait. Everybody, do we have a confirmed downtrend? No, right? We don't have a confirmed downtrend yet. So you have a down Fibonacci showing you a downtrend, down direction. You have a confirmed C, but you don't have a confirmed downtrend yet. Okay, not confirmed. No, we don't have a downtrend, not yet. It's 50%. What about the weekly? What about the weekly, everybody? Do we have the confirmed downtrend on the weekly? Is the market making lower lows, lower highs? Let's delete some of the things, right? Let's delete this from the previous lessons. Sub B, sub D, out. Whoops, not this one. Everybody, do we have a confirmed downtrend? Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Yes, we do, right? Exactly. See how the market, everybody, is following the Fibonacci sequence. This is the original Fibonacci showing you trend direction. This was the market in a down retracement. Oh, it's an up. No, it's not. It's called a down retracement. And then you have the extension. See how the market works with the Fibonacci, everybody? And this happens, those concepts apply on all time frames and on all currency pairs. What about the daily, right? What about the daily? So Patil, you said, I want to go long. No problem, my friend, but, you know, going long, everybody, and remember, yes, you can. Yes, you can go long, right? But going long right now is high probability or it's low probability. Do we have a downtrend or do we have an uptrend on the daily? This is the wave, extension, retracement, extension, right? This is the wave, right? Everybody, does this make sense to you what we are talking about right now? We are trading the Fibonaccis, everybody, okay? And the original Fibonacci on the weekly, monthly and daily on AUD is down. Monthly has a confirmed seed, the weekly and the daily has not. And we want to make pips and money with the understanding. We want to make an educated guess. It's still a guess, right? Why is a guess? Because we don't have the crystal ball. But taking all in consideration, everybody, let's make a poll. Who in here thinks that going short has the greatest chance of success? And who in here thinks that going long has the greatest chance of success? On the 4-hour chart, on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. And don't be shy, everybody, it's a poll, right? There is no right or wrong. When everything is said and done, what do you think? Are you going to have a greatest probability of success going long? Or are you going to have a greatest probability of success going short? And let's not mix apples with bananas. We're talking about trading the Fibonacci numbers, trading the Fibonacci sequence, trading the Fibonacci pattern. Everybody, let's make a poll, long or short? No, everybody, you can go long, you can go short. There is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong, everybody, come on. Yes, you can go long, I told you, yes, you can. But you need to understand, as a Forex course 101 trader, that going long on a pattern, and you can, and going short on a pattern, and you can, those two trades are going to have a different probability. Today and tomorrow, and on Thursday and on Friday. And you are trading like this, everybody, unknowingly. Make sense? You are trading, everybody, you are putting trades, you are entering the market unknowing to this concept that different trades have different probabilities. So if you are losing more than you are making, and it's normal, check, do the homework and check. Are you entering high probability trades based on what? Or are you entering low probability trades and based on what? long till C of daily is established. Afterward it has to be short. One more time, Patil, you are the teacher, I'm the student. Boss, why would you go long on something that it's falling down? Everybody help Patil out. Patil is the teacher, I'm the student, and Patil is telling me, let's go long until the daily C is confirmed. And I'm asking, I'm not saying that Patil is wrong, I'm asking teacher Patil, teacher, boss, why would we go long on something that it's clearly falling? What do you think? And there is no right or wrong. Everybody, Patil wants to go long, and it can, you know, and I'm asking Patil, boss, why would we go long on something that it's clearly falling? Well, maybe sideways channel here, right? Maybe, sure enough, fair enough, we are in consolidation, but we are absolutely trade what you see. We are absolutely not making higher highs, higher lows. Agreed, Patil? Everybody, do we agree that the market on the daily AUD CAD it's not making higher highs, higher lows? Do we agree on this? Yes, but it's going to make, well, we cannot trade from perception and speculation, you know, trade what you see. Everybody, do we agree that the market it's not making higher highs, higher lows? One more time, I'm not saying that Patil is wrong, I'm just asking a question. Why would we go long on something that it's clearly falling or it's in consolidation? Make sense? So everybody, how can we help you, right? You are going to have a discount, everybody, 50% on everything that you see right now. Okay, Black Friday we're going to give you 50% discount. We want to help you. Okay, if your way is not working, everybody, why don't you try ours? If you want quicker results and not waste 2, 3, 4 years to figure out the Forex market, ask for private lessons of the Forex course 101. If you are like Lucas in here and wants to go to the Forex course 202, and this is a must, you know, because the professional traders have a different mindset and they have a different heart set. And there is some specific knowledge that we must acquire. The Forex course 101, it's not enough. You must go to the 2. And if you are over the Forex course 101 and if you are over the Forex course 202, you can join the traders group. You can trade together. Or the New York session or the Tokyo session. Okay? And we are giving you a 50% discount on Black Friday on those 2 sessions too. Okay? And level 3 there is no discount because this is a career. You're going to have a contract, you know, this has nothing to do. Number 3 is, do you want to trade with a hedge fund or investment bank or asset manager? Okay? Start your position as a junior trader, you know, but it's not for beginners. So level number 3, it's a job, you know. Make sense? No discount, no Black Friday. This is a job, everybody. Okay. But in here, New York, you know, New York session, Tokyo session, trade ups, Black Friday, you're going to have a 50% discount, and the Forex course 202 and the Forex course 101 also. Okay. But remember, as I told Lucas yesterday, you cannot jump into the Forex course 202 without first learning the Forex course 101. You are going to waste, everybody, time and money. Don't come to the Forex course 202 if you didn't learn the Forex course 101. Okay, and Luca is saying, yes sir, I need to improve my perception in 101. Everybody give yourself a year. Okay, give yourself a year, everybody, to learn this. Okay, give yourself a year and watch the... Somebody thinks that I'm joking when I say, you know, watch this lesson 2 or 3 times. Somebody thinks it's a joke. It's not. This lesson today, it's worth watching 5 times. Why? Because there is a lot of information and concepts. And once you are over the lesson, study the charts. You know, try to identify, oh my gosh, you know, this is in a retracement, or oh my gosh, this is in an extension. Oh my gosh, what is the probability of going long or short on AUD-JPY, AUD-CHF, NZD-CAD, AUD-USD, USD-CHF, AUD-NZD, all the currency pairs and time frames. You know, where is the probability? And fair enough, if you don't like Fibonaccis, you can trade without the Fibonaccis too. But it doesn't make any... it doesn't make any difference. You need to think from the probability standpoint, even without the Fibonaccis. It's a probability profession, everybody. You have trend lines on some... Yes, you have trend lines on some time frames aligned, on some time frames they are not aligned. You have stochastic RSI going up on the weekly, going down on the daily. How are you going to trade, you know? All the indicators, everybody, it's a multiple time frame probability game. For a lack of a better word, it's not a game, it's a profession. That being said, without the camera today, because I'm not in my office, stay strong and